For those of you that have wondered where Keenan's been, digging a hole. Not just any hole. It's a big, deep hole. That's one.
I gotta pull it off.
Yeah. Yeah, it didn't work very good.
Not coming up?
Oh, my back's coming up.
Yeah.
Stepping stone right there.
Stepping stone? Yeah, go for it. Oh, like a little elevator. Huh.
I heard. Jesus Lord, do you need a response every time you say something? Like, Jesus Lord, my child, sometimes I don't feel like responding. Yeah. Okay. Rest break.
All right. Rest break. Welcome to Tatro's front yard, where he's digging a ditch.
Almost got a place to step. It looks heavy.
I don't believe that.
It looks heavy?
It just looks heavy? No.
Concrete down there went pretty good. Successful.
Make that poor gopher mad.
This is hard shit over here too. It's too much trouble trying to lift this back and forth to trim the wall though. That white shit's like concrete. The pick just bounces off of it.
Yeah.
So you got that pipe way down there?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Is that what you're going for?
It leaks water out of it and it's not connected to anything I know of. There's no output on this side, it just ends.
Right there.
So you look at this, it's at the base of the here. I dug this one way down over here.
Oh.
Not much difference.
All right.
That's neat.
Well, we have this ditch over here.
Two houses, two pipes.
So, wasn't the plumber saying it was a Y pipe here?
He said it's a Y over there, which obviously is heading that direction. But who knows where it goes to? He was off on his Y.
A little bit.
Well.
All right.
But that gas line looks pretty rusty, doesn't it?
A little bit.
It looks even more rusty when it's wet over here.
Sufficiently to figure out the answer.
Oh, yeah.
That's even more rusty on this side.
It sure is.
That should be replaced.
Oh, hell with that.
All right, be back.
Here's an update on Keenan's ditch.
few hours of work. Exercise for the day. Did I go all the way around again?
Yeah. Yeah, it was in the bushes. All right.
Bunch of brick on top of the pipe. These short pieces, just like that.
Oh yeah.
A bunch of those, and rock. And the clay sticks a shovel, so it makes it work. There's a bunch of these.
So why is there so many bricks in there? Just buried in the hole?
Protecting the pipe.
Oh.
To line the pipe, basically. Put brick across the pipe. Protect it from people. Jackhammer.
Protect it from you?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Oh, okay.
They can't get in there with this brick under there, so. It's less energy to do it that way. I see all the bricks you want.
Yeah.
That's how they do it in 1910, I guess. There's a lot of river rock down here too. We have an underground river that goes through here. Before we get all this clay down here.
Oh.
Ultimately, layers of clay and hardpan. See, that's one of the clay layer.
Yeah. Really see the clay and hardpan mix right there.
Clay underneath it. Clay layer's about a foot to foot and a half thick. Clay shovelfuls are heavy.
Can't imagine why.
Rock, right? Sewer pipe, rusty gas pipe, and 2 copper water lines. And then another foot and a half down over there is another sewer pipe we don't know where it goes to.
Right.
That has no end to it, but it has water.
That rusty gas pipe doesn't look good.
No, it probably should be replaced. See, that's clay. Like the kid plays with.
Got that.
Hardpan mix.
Just like clay. Oh, and down here.
Don't fall in down there.
We have a gopher cave.
2 gopher caves.
There's 2 gopher caves. Oh yeah, there's another one right here. Can't really see it right now. Looks like it's getting filled in. But that one's good. There we go. There we go. Alright.
Maybe let's pick a set out and chop it off.
Play whack-a-mole.
I'll just chop it off.
Just chop it off. Don't even whack it.
Chunks of shit.
Chunks of shit. Oh my god. Yeah, that's... It's hard stuff.
Wet, it kind of moves. You get that white shit, it's concrete. It don't fall. Without the jackhammer, it doesn't work. Even the jackhammer, even with a point tip on it for concrete, it doesn't have going through it. It sits on top of a layer of clay, so it bounces. It doesn't penetrate. Brick and rock.
Brick and rock. Clay and hardpan.
Not a clay limit. The hardpan is much lower. It's pretty close. Now, this side over here.
Another hard chunk. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Keenan here is like the Energizer Bunny. He just goes and goes and goes.
Build the world. A shovel at a time. Don't stand over there, I might hit you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll stay over here.
I'm not looking. A lot of these are going behind you like that, than these can pick it up from before.
Is it?
It's like a shot putter.
Oh, okay.
You have to have a minute.
Makes sense.
How heavy is that shovel hole I gave you?
It's pretty heavy.
It's a solid chunk of clay.
Yeah.
And you stick to the shovel too, which makes it even harder. These. Of course, we got roots down here for something.
Dog in the sidecar action. That was fun.
Another one?
Yeah.
That's like all day long.
Yeah. Got a lot of dogs and sidecars up here.
No, they got a lot of people that don't know what stop signs are,
Oh, yeah.
and they look right at you and pull out in front of you anyway.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
They figure if they got their nose over the sidewalk, it's free after that. Except the guy coming down the street at 30 might have a different opinion about that.